the law of attraction is bullshit, right? That's what you hear from the hard workers, the people who take a lot of action, right? The people who always say like hard work leads to success. Of course it's true. A certain type of hard work can lead to incredible success. That's true. But to think that the law of attraction is bullshit, I think goes a long way. Because I think a lot of people hear the law of attraction, they think directly of The Secret, and they think about the typical story. Boy wants a car, boy visualizes a car, and boy gets a bicycle, a car, whatever. That's a very, very limited and incomplete way of seeing the law of attraction or even the law of assumption. But when you read James Allen, when you hear the Buddha talk, when you hear David Hawkins talk, it's very, very relevant and even logical, right? It makes sense that what you cultivate your mind with tends to manifest in your life. Even the Buddha said, the mind is the forerunner of all things, right? If you have these premises, and I was guilty of this. Sometimes like, oh, this law of attraction thing is bullshit, right? That's why it's important not to feed yourself with people and content that does not help your purpose, because it will influence your mind in one way or another. So beware of what you feed your mind, not only your thoughts, right? When it comes to the law of attraction, believing in it does work in your benefit as well. You want to take action, you want to work hard, etc., etc. All of those things are things that you believe for yourself. The world is a certain way, right? And we decide what we accept from this world. So if you keep on looking at content about hard work and this and that, well, you will strive to get what you want. And that's not necessarily wrong if that's what you want to do. But if you believe that the law of attraction is true and you can get things easily and effortlessly, and you fully believe this, well, you will tend to get results easily and effortlessly, because we paint the world with our thoughts, right? And our beliefs, which is the result of our thoughts, right? I always say that law of attraction, bullshit or not, decide for yourself. If you want to decide that it works for you, by all means, right? If you want to think right now that all men are bad or all women are bad, well, it's your choice. Is it true for you? If you really think that all women are bad or all men are bad, well, you decide to accept it. What will happen? Well, you will have confirmation. If you think the world is completely negative or amazing, well, you decide. It's your choice. If you think it's completely negative, what you're gonna see in your daily life? The news of bad things happening, things around you that are happening, your mind will keep on seeking for what is bad. But if you do not complain and see the beauty in everything and think the world is amazing, full of love and full of growth and full of warmth, what will happen? Well, you would see a lot of this too. We feed our mind a certain thing. Why do you think you attract the same people around you, the same circumstances and all this stuff? The mind is so powerful. I'm not even talking about closing your eyes and wishing for a car and receiving it the next day. Say you start visualizing a Mercedes or Ferrari, or visualizing a type of woman or a type of man or a specific person even. You will hear their name somewhere else. You will see that car on a billboard. You will read something and you'll read the name of this specific person. You will get a text from person. How does it happen? Your mind is so powerful. Your mind is just not you. It's connected to everything. So beware of your belief. You don't want to believe in the law of attraction? Good for you. More power to you. Do something else. Hopefully it will work for you. I'm not a fan of Andrew Tate, but I have to say, he says some things that are smart sometimes. There's no real negative side effects of believing in yourself, right? Believe in yourself, believe in the law of attraction, believe in whatever works to your advantage. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you very soon.